Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Roblox account manager. Quick one guys, come to the search bar here. Now go ahead and search for Roblox account manager. Mind you, we're running on Google Chrome. You see this first website is a GitHub website. Now you can choose how you want to run it. You can, first of all, I recommend accessing the GitHub website. After that, open a new tab and then open up Roblox and then go ahead and log into your real Roblox account. Now let it run until you're logged in. All right. So once you're logged in, come back to the GitHub over here. Now, as you come back to the GitHub, guys, scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. And then choose Roblox account manager, this one over here. Now, after choosing that, guys, you need to download one of these source zip codes and then also the account manager zip codes. Like you can see, guys, it's only 4.17 MBs, very small. Go ahead, click on that. Once you click on that, you see the download will start running. And then also go ahead and click on this. And then once it's done downloading, you can then go ahead and open it and go ahead and unzip it. Now, once you unzip it, you come back to your Roblox and then the account manager will be linked directly to your Roblox. So guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.